What's up, guys? Internet Income Ninja here, bringing amazing value to you via YouTube. Thank you so much for seeing the value and clicking on this video, for your interest in this lead, for your interest in making money online, because that's what we talk about on this channel. And let's jump into it. So in today's video, as you can tell from your screen, we're going to be looking at a customer service and experience manager position. Okay, this position will be brought to us by HumanCentric. All right, and when you come to this page, you can actually press this link and you can view more on the company, like view their profile and so forth. This is a full-time work from home customer support opportunity, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Now, HumanCentric was founded in 2015, so fairly young company, about 7 going on 8 years old, and is a profitable, high-growth e-commerce brand. We design and manufacture our own line of products that help customers create a well-designed and comfortable workspace in their home office. We ship tens of thousands of products each month to customers around the world and are run by a small and driven team who makes it all come together. We have grown significantly as the remote work trend continues to increase, and we believe that we have a tremendous opportunity to become an impactful brand and thought leader in the emerging work from home space. Now, if you're wondering, it says manager, but it sounds kind of, not manager. Well, let's find out more about the position. At HumanCentric, we believe in creating outstanding experiences with customers, from purposefully built products to outstanding human-focused experience and support. This role is a critical part of creating everlasting positive impressions in every interaction. In this role, you will establish, build, and maintain strong customer brand relationships while achieving high customer satisfaction scores. At the forefront of the human-centric experience, you'll be responsible for turning negative experiences positive and making positive experience even better from both outbound and inbound channels. You will bring an exceptional level of humanity and function to our customer experience. You will be responsible for the following: inbound and outbound communications, including but not limited to customer service inquiries through live chat, e-commerce marketplaces, social media channels, and email. Providing high-quality customer-focused service by solving customer problems quickly and efficiently. Engineer solutions by providing instruction and education to customers, ordering replacement parts, and processing refunds and exchanges. Triaging and escalating customer needs and requests as needed. Systematizing customer service processes to make your job easier. Helping with product catalog optimization by surfacing product listing updates based on customer feedback. Contributing broadly as the voice of the customer inside the company. So you basically represent the customer to the e-commerce brand. Desired qualifications include the following: 2 to 5 years of experience in customer experience or support, consumer goods preferred, passion for customer success, consultancy and excellent customer service, English language fluency and mastery, exceptional written and verbal communication skills, experience or familiarity with global e-commerce, specifically selling on Amazon.com, is preferred but not required. Excellent problem-solving capability and attention to detail. The ability to deal with and thrive on industry and customer challenges on a daily basis. Positive and empathetic attitude. You genuinely love to interact with people. Experience using customer service tools and building automated response templates such as Help Scout Preferred, Zendesk, Freshdesk, HubSpot, or other support software. Technology fluency. You must have an aptitude for learning web-based applications and understanding technology-related products. For example, You understand how to use a USB-C docking station and can troubleshoot basic computer problems. Mechanical aptitude. You must have an aptitude for understanding how mechanical things work and connect. For example, you enjoy assembling IKEA furniture. Many of our products have simple directions but come with compatibility requirements. So I guess you'll be guiding people on how to, attach stuff and connect stuff like that. A genuine interest in creating better workspaces for yourself and others. Now, had you been with us last month, you would have made many amazing customer experiences by resolving issues and providing information and recommendations. And by the sound of it, you'll realize that you're not necessarily a manager in the traditional sense. You do help manage how things are run between you and your customers, but you're not in a managerial position. Okay? You manage the customer's relationship with the company because you help customers with their concerns, with questions, and so forth. But that's just the name of the title. You're not necessarily in a authoritative managerial position. Okay, just to make that clear. Now, you would have, if you were with them within the last month, you would have created response templates for specific common inquiry types, ordered product replacements for damaged items and followed up with customers upon receipt, assisted with product development by creating a quality assurance email campaign, assisted with product launches by creating new email templates, funneled new sales and marketing opportunities to the appropriate internal departments, assisted with catalog updates by translating customer concerns into actionable product listing updates. Now, if you work with us within the next 2 years, it's likely that you'll streamline customer interactions by creating memorable experiences, further growing the brand and creating lifetime customers. You'll establish a consistent voice of the brand while effectively acting as the voice of HumanCentric in daily communications with customers, vendors, and partners. Systematize and personalize customer service and experience process to significantly reduce the time required for resolution. Provide input on products and product listings based on the customer's perspective that reduces return rates and increases customer satisfaction. Learn skills for operating an Amazon seller account. Now, qualities that will make you a good fit for HumanCentric. Technology fluency. You can learn a new application faster than almost anyone around you. Independence and efficiency. You get things done faster than your peers and are always improving your execution. You have the right information at your fingertips because you planned in advance. You can independently manage a huge backlog by identifying actions from high-level objectives and prioritizing intelligently. You follow through on all your commitments on time. Humility. If it's part of running and building the business, nothing is outside your job description. And that's something you value and appreciate. Respect. We treat customers, vendors, and each other with tremendous respect and sincere appreciation. They are people first and business partners second. Balanced intensity. You approach your work with intensity, but you're an easy person to be around. Clear communication. You're clear, concise, and professionally written and verbal communication skills. Now, to apply for this position, you simply hit this button. Once you hit that button, the application page will pop up. You can upload your information and then submit said information to them, and then you can wait for authorized responses from the company, meaning responses from the actual company itself. Okay. And then, just check your email, look out for stuff from the company, and you're well on your way. No, it didn't say they were hiring only one person or X number of people, but you can assume that based on the job position, they're actually hiring for more than one position. Okay, meaning they're hiring multiple managers. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Smash that like button. I just said that. Smash the like button, comment, share with everyone everyone who's interested in becoming someone who is customer focused and is willing to work with people. Okay. Really appreciate you watching these videos, and for your treat, go ahead and check the links in the description. There's a lot of free stuff down there. Pay attention to those things. See what floats your boat. Find out more, learn more, click on videos, click on links, and get to learn more about what's happening in the Make Money Online space. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.